Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on perimeter. Perimeter is the total distance around the boundary of a two-dimensional shape. The boundary of a 2D shape may have straight lines or curved lines. In this video we will look at boundaries which are straight lines. Some of the more popular shapes we will look at are triangles, other triangle, square, and rectangle. The large triangle to the left helps to support the roof of a house. Given the three measurements, what is the perimeter of the large triangle? So the perimeter is 5 meters plus 5 meters plus 7 meters. So we have 5 meters plus 5 meters plus 7 meters, and that's 17 meters. Example 2. A chessboard is in the shape of a square with sides of 30 centimeters. What is the perimeter? If we let P stand for perimeter, the P equals 4 times 30 because it has 4 sides, and that's 120 centimeters. The square garden bed above has each side with length 2 meters. So the perimeter has to be 4 times 2 meters, and that's 8 meters. The rectangular swimming pool above has a length of 8 meters and a width of 3 meters. So the perimeter is 8 meters plus 3 meters plus 8 meters plus 3 meters. And that's 22 meters. The above garden bed has the dimensions shown. What is the perimeter? So all we do with this, we start at one place and we just go around systematically. So 5 meters plus 7 meters, plus 2 meters, plus 4 meters, plus 3 meters, and another 3 meters. We add all those up, and we get 24 meters. Find the perimeter of the above room. The perimeter is 10 meters, plus 8 meters, plus 7 meters, plus 5 meters, plus 12 meters, and that's 42 meters. So the perimeter is a very, very popular topic in real life, and now you know how to find it.